How to check login activity on Instagram after update. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to check login activity on Instagram after update. So Instagram does not provide a built-in feature to view your login activity directly within the app. However, you can take certain measures and stay informed about the security of your Instagram account. Here's how you can do it. First of all, launch your Instagram application. After that, you'll need to log in. Once you're logged into your account, click on the profile icon located in the bottom right. As soon as you've done that, go ahead and click on the tab bar icon located in the upper right hand side corner. After that, you'll be able to see multiple options. From the list, click on settings. So after that, what you'll have to do is you'll need to go to security, which is right over here. So right on top, you can see there's your login activity. So you can see your login activity. What you have to do is after that, you need to go to two-factor authentication. So you need to enable two-factor authentication. So now go ahead and click on the get started button. So go through all of these information, and if you're sure about it, then click on set up manually, tap on the next button, and you'll be asked to enter in the confirmation code or a 6-digit login code generated by a mobile. So once you've enabled the two-factor authentication, you need to follow the prompt, and then you've added an extra layer of security to your account. So you can also review your authorized apps. So periodically reviewing the app and website that you have access to your Instagram account. Now these can be third-party apps you've used for scheduled posts. You can revoke access to any app you no longer use for trust. Apart from that, you can also check your email notification or monitor your login attempts. So that is basically how you can check your login activity on Instagram after update. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.